Rivulis makes a great product. My name's Carson Kailin, and I am the general manager of Kalin Farms here in Brawley, California in the Imperial Valley. I'm second generation, and my father actually came down here in the 1910, 1915. We started growing onions. I'm going back a number of years. I would say probably about in 2000. They're processed onions for dehydration, and onion is a high solids, very white onion used to make onion salt, onion chips, onion flakes. We've been using T-Tape for 10, 12 years. We use the ultra low flow 0.27 tape. I think it's a 6 mil or an 8 mil. It's that ultra low flow that I think works best for onions. That allows us to wet all the way across the top of the bed without having that water go deep. And that gives us a good even germination all the way across the top of the bed. We germinate all of our drip onions with drip tape. We don't have to put sprinklers in, so we don't have that additional cost of having to put sprinklers in and take sprinklers out like would be done if we were doing furrow irrigation. For dehy onions, drip irrigation, I think, has really made a big difference to us. We get much better germination, and the soil stays softer because there's no compaction from the sprinklers, and it's worked very well for us. T-Tape gives us the right type of tape with the correct flow rates and the right formulation of the plastic to enable us to do a good installation, give us a good low flow so that we don't over irrigate, and strong enough that when we go to pull it in the middle of the summer when it's hot, it doesn't break. I think the biggest advantage that we've seen with T-Tape is if we have a problem, you guys are here. I mean, immediately you're here and you make it good. The T-Tape, it just makes all the difference in the world. 48 hours and those onions are coming up in 3 days.